Hi and welcome back. In this video, we are going to introduce ourselves with the stack data structure. So stack is our second data structure, and in this video, we'll just introduce ourselves with the stack, and in the further videos, we will be dealing with the stack in much more detailed manner, right? So in case if you have not accessed my playlist on the data structures and algorithms, then you can go to my channel page and access it. You can see I have discussed all the topics in detail along with the code, right? I have provided the code for each and every topic. Like I have discussed here linked list part in much more detail along with the code, right? So if you have not accessed it, then please go back and access it, right? Okay, coming back to the stack data structure here. So we'll first see that what stack is, right? So you can see stack is nothing but it's a linear data structure only. Okay, so what is the real life example of a stack? So you can see the stack of books uh, on your table, right? Stack means something is placed one above the other, right? So if you say the stack of books, that means the books are arranged one above the other. Okay, so and also the stack is a linear data structure, and which is based on the LIFO or the philo principle. We'll see that what the LIFO and what the philo is in the video itself in much more detail. Okay, the full form of LIFO is the last in first out, and the philo is the first in last out. Okay, so let's see about stack in detail. Okay, so here you can see I have shown the stack of books. That means here the books are placed one above the other, right? So, okay, so let me just take a laser point. Okay, now this is the example of stacks of books. Similarly, you can have the example of stack of numbers. That means the numbers are placed one above the other, right? That we will be discussing. Okay, so just leave the part of LIFO and philo. Okay, we'll discuss this in the at the end. Okay, fine. So the main functions of the stack are push, pop, is empty, and is full, right? What are the definitions of the push function? So the push, what it does is that it pushes the elements on the top of the stack, right? Let's say if you have this stack of 2 4 6. Now if you want to push the element 8, then element 8 will be pushed into the stack, and it will come above 8, right? Okay, now pop. So what is the function of the pop? Simply pop removes the top element. That means let's say here the top element is 6, right? Now if you call the pop function, then what it simply do is that it will remove that, and the stack will become of only 2 and 4, right? So 6 will be removed. That means the top element will be removed once you call the pop function. What is the use of the is empty function? So it basically checks whether your stack is empty or not. What is the use of is full? It checks whether the stack is full or not. Let's move forward. So as I have told you, so this is the examples of the push, pop, is empty, and is full functions. You can see I am pushing 6 here, I am popping out 4 here, and I am checking whether the stack is empty or not, or whether the stack is full or not, right? Now the question arises that how we can implement stack, right? So it can be implemented by two ways. First is the implementation using array, and second is the implementation using linked list. Okay, so we'll see the implementation part of the stack in the next video, right? And now let's quickly discuss that what is last in first out and first in last out. Okay, so LIFO and the philo principle here. So let's say I have a stack here which is empty initially, then I push 2, then the stack become like this, then I pushed 4, then the stack become like this, 2 and 4. Now if I call the pop function, then the stack will become 2. If I pop the call function again, then the stack will become empty. If you see the whole procedure, then you can get idea about the philo and the LIFO principle. Remember the full form. Philo means first in, last out, right? So the element which was first inserted into the stack will be popped out last. So look at here, which was the element which has been pushed first? That was 2, right? And which was the element which was popped first, popped last? That was 2. This is what the philo principle says, right? This is what the philo is. That means first in and last out. Okay, first in and last out. If you see the other way around, that means if you see the LIFO principle, it will be opposite of that. That means the element which was pushed recently, The 4 was the element which was pushed recently will be popped out first. That means the last in, first out. The element which was inserted last, that means recently, will be popped out first. This is what the LIFO and the FILO principle is. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so this was the introductory part about the stack data structure. I hope you have understood it completely. So that's it for this video. Thank you and Jai Hind.